Today we are going to construct SDT to convert given infix expression into prefix. So the input is A plus B star C and output will be plus A star B C. Because we are converting infix into prefix, so first operator, then operator, then operand, then operand will come. So if we talk about this, so according to the grammar, as we have taken in the last example also, the grammar will be like this: E tends to E plus T with the same grammar, and E tends to T, T tends to F, and F tends to ID. Then T tends to T star F, T tends to F, F tends to ID, and F tends to ID. So it will be A, B, C, A plus B star C. So how we are going to write SDT for this? So it will be like this. It will be like, as I have said, first operator will come, then operand will come. So we will write like this: E tends to first operator, so plus print F plus, then operand will come E plus T oblique T, because grammar is okay, I'll write the grammar here. Tends to E plus T oblique T, and T tends to T star F oblique F, and F tends to ID. That is the grammar. So according to that grammar, for input, output will be for infix, prefix SDT will be first operator will come, then operand will come. So printf plus E plus T oblique T, because there is nothing, so we will write like this. Then T tends to, for the second one, print F first operator star, then grammar T star F oblique F, and for F, F tends to ID. So we will, for this we will write print F ID. We write print F ID. So this is the conversion from infix to prefix. In the similar way, if we have another question with the same grammar, in this, if we want to convert, in this, if we want to convert infix to infix, infix to infix, then what we will do? So, and we will see for construct SDT for this also. So for this also, this will be the same, because input will be A plus B star C, and output will be same, A plus B star C. So that the tree will be same, A star A plus B into C. So how we will write SDT for this? We will write like this: E tends to E with the same grammar. It will come in between. Print F plus T. The operator come between E plus T oblique T. And for T, T tends to T print F star F oblique f, and for f tends to id it will be same, print f id. So this is the infix to infixed conversion, or we can say we are constructing SDT to convert infix to infix expression. So this is the way by which we can convert the given expression with the help of SDT.